Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LiveNoding. In this episode, we're gonna do something simple. Basically, take a look at Blender particles inside animation nodes. So let's just get started. I'm gonna start with maybe like some kind of cube, and this guy is gonna emit some particles. So I just leave everything at default, except for the normal. Maybe I'll increase it so it's kind of emitting outward. Um, can be a little bit more random. So I'll just leave it like that. But anyhow, this guy is emitting some particles and we want to bring it inside animation nodes. And let's search for particles. So we have particle system from objects. I think this is the one that we want. And we also have the particle data nodes. And I think this is how it works. So we have this emitter guy. I'll name it properly. So this emitter, and let's save this real quick. So this is going to be an particle instance 001, and we will try to instance some objects. I will just use the cone object. By default, this cone object is facing the Z direction. So hopefully that's kind of work for us. We're gonna do object instancing and select our objects, which is our cones. So we have a bunch of locations here, and we want to use object transform output. Turn on the positions. So this is a bunch of positions, and this goes to the instancing. It's gonna generate objects depending on the number of particles, and our objects goes in here, and hopefully this actually works. So yeah, apparently it's actually that simple. You can see the only thing is probably okay, this object needs to be centered. So now this is more correct. So this is our emitter guide. The emitter, I'll just turn it to wire perhaps. So yeah, it seems to be working really well. The next thing one normally wants to do is to rotate the objects based on how the particles is shooting out. I think we can just pipe this into the rotations. Maybe direction to rotations. Let's see. It's supposed to be working, hopefully. So that's locations goes. I might need to change this. Yep. Maybe it's not 100% correct, but at least we get some kind of rotations happening. Ideally, the way it shoots out should be where the cone is pointing out. So maybe I'm doing this wrong or something, but I have another one that I prepared earlier, and this guy seems to be working. So I kind of wondering why. Let me try and move this object like that. So apparently it is shooting out. It seems to be correct, but the directions is not exactly 100% correct. Something to be investigated. But anyway, this is just a quick look at how we can use Blender particles and animation nodes to do the instancing. And yeah, hopefully we can do more with it. And so yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.